This is KT sir here, who is trying to teach you all a bit of mathematics from his side. Till now, I have given almost 60 videos on mathematical concept. Today also, my new video is on a concept from a geometry. Many students find that concept very difficult, but it is one of the easiest topic, that is circle. So without wasting your time, let's start with the today's topic, that is circle. Now, when we talk about a circle, we have seen the circle. For example, see, these are the 4 examples of circles we have considered. Now here, let us cross check which are correct. Now Bengal, it's like a circle, but ball is not a circle. Same way, boundary of a cricket ground is an example of a circle, but coins are not the example of a circle. तो सर सर्कल होता क्या है? So let's understand the definition of a circle. Now see, I have taken a circle and I have one fixed point O. Now basically a circle is a collection of set of points in a given plane. Now when I say set of points in a given plane, that doesn't mean that all the points in the same plane will always give a circle. नहीं, उसके लिए condition है. Let us try to find that condition. Now suppose if I take one of the point here as A and I join OA. Now if I measure the distance between point O and A, I get it as 4 cm. Let's take one more point in this set and I will join it with O. Now if you measure again, you find the distance is 4 cm. Same way, let's try with one more point. Again, the distance OC, you get it as a 4 cm on a scale. Same way, if I take one more point D and I join it with O and I measure the distance with a scale, I get it as 4 cm. और एक point try करते हैं. Now this time I'll measure the distance OE, that is also 4 cm. So what do we observe? We observe that this all the points are at an equal distance from that specific point. In other words, OA is equals to OB is equals to OC is equals to OD is equals to OE. तो इसका मतलब क्या बनता है? Circle is a set of points in a given plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. For example, here all these 5 points are at an equal distance from the point O of 4 cm. Hence, when you join all these points, you get a circle, and the distance between that fixed point and the point on the circle is our radius. And this fixed point is nothing else but our center. Now next, we are going to talk about chord. What is a chord? Let's take the 2 point on the circle. Now, if I join these 2 points, I get a segment CD. So basically, a chord is what? It is a segment joining the 2 points on a circle. A chord is nothing else but a segment joining the 2 points on a circle. It is called as chord. The next term we need to know is diameter. Now diameter is a special type of a chord. So ऐसा क्यों? देखो, when I draw the diameter, again it is a segment joining the 2 points on the circle. But कहानी में twist क्या है? It is passing through the center O. So in other words, I can say diameter is nothing else but a special chord passing through the center of a circle. Am I clear? And remember, in circle, the diameter is the largest chord. The diameter is the largest chord. Now let's look at new term. Here we are going to talk about secant. Now what is a secant? A secant is a line which is intersecting the circle at 2 points. I have taken a line L which is intersecting the circle at 2 points M and N. So basically a line which intersects the circle at 2 distinct points is termed as secant. Now here our line L is a secant which is intersecting the circle at 2 points M and N. Now here if you observe, MN is a chord. So basically every secant will have a chord. Every secant will have a chord. But every chord may not be a secant. Always remember that. The next, here we are going to talk about tangent. Now see, your circle chapter becomes bit tricky from the moment the chapter involves the concept of tangent. So you have to be very careful with the concepts and its application. This is the first video where we are just talking about the circle and the terms related to circle. In a coming videos, I will be uploading the theorems and its related sum. So before watching those videos, this is the first video. You should watch it very carefully and understand the concepts. Now tangent, what is a tangent? See here, I have a circle with a center O. Now I take one line which is touching the circle at one point A. Now understand the difference between this and secant. In secant, the line L was intersecting the circle at 2 points. But here, line L is touching the circle at only one point, and that is why it is called as tangent. Now this point where the circle and tangent are touching each other is termed as point of contact. So basically, a line in a plane of a circle intersecting the circle at one and only one point is called as tangent. At that point is termed as point of contact. So the tangent will intersect the circle at only one point, and that point is our point of contact. Now suppose if I take one more point on tangent. Let's say I have taken a point B. Now I get a segment AB. Now this segment AB is also known as tangent segment. Why tangent segment? Because this segment is lying on that tangent, hence it is termed as tangent segment. I hope you must have understood this. Now in this video, we have just discussed the circle definition and the terms related to circle. In the next video, I am going to upload the theorems related to all these concepts. So do keep watching my videos. Also, if you have liked my video, please share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel for the regular updates of the concepts in mathematics. Thank you.